Hi, good night. My name is the University of Cundinamarca. I study engineering of automation. I today I present welcome to my routine. Let's go. Hi, my routine is I wake up at 5 o'clock. I head up at 5 past 5. I brush my teeth at 10 past 5. I head dress. I have a shower. I dry my body. I head dressed at half past 5. I look at my bike. It is not damaged. I fill my heart with water. And I leave my house at the 5:40. I go to the Alto de Mondoñedo. I go down to Alto Calle San Antonio. I go up to eat arepas in the Happy Cook. I clean the Tequendama waterfall at 9 in the morning. I head to my house at 12 o'clock. I have classes from 1 in the afternoon till 4. I have dinner at 9 at night. I go to bed at 10 at night. Okay, my routine. My name is John Eder Giraldo Golondrino, and I usually start the day at 40:30. After this I take a bath, brush my teeth, dry my body, and get dressed. I usually prepare a healthy breakfast for my trying day. Excuse me. Once I have had breakfast, I check my bike to head all comfortably. At 5:30, after having warmed up, I choose a short but hard route as a Romeral, example it between 5 and 6 hours. Okay, thank you. And routine of family member is my mother. She is my mother. She gets up at 9 in the morning, look brush, her teeth, 9:30 he makes breakfast. She boils the corn with before the areas at approximately 11 in the morning. She makes lunch at and once in the afternoon. She makes the areas at 3 in the afternoon and at 4 in the afternoon she goes out to work. She comes back from work at ish at night and go to bed at 10 at night. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.